I lost my first best friend, 7th grade. He got murdered. He was in the shop house sleeping. Somebody came in and they shot him in the back of the head.
I had a best friend named Ezel. In 10th grade, Ezel got killed. And that really set a mindset of, man, am I gonna get killed?
In neighborhoods like this, you only get 3 things that you can be, and that's either play ball, rap, or sell drugs. For me, man, I chose ball.
Football really helped me release a lot of my anger.
Having the coach in front of a name means everything. You open up your ears, you listen, if you want to respect that person.
My real actual father wasn't always in my life. They played father figure roles. They're there for me at times I need them.
I think my purpose is to change lives and be an agent of change. Mentorship is the most important thing a person can have because it teaches them how to be a better person.
Children don't care how much you know until they know how much you care.